Okay, this is the M6000. This machine is actually a remanufactured machine. It was a used machine that we brought in and completely rebuilt and brought current with all of the newer features of the machine. We have, we can run one head, two heads. This is the master switch. Turn that on. This will run the front head. It could be this. This will run the rear head, which is actually the front of the panel. We put the front of the panel against the fence. Stop system set up, fully adjustable, and you can have it with any, the fences come in lengths of 5 feet, and you can add as much fence as you actually need. It does have index pins that comes up, you can see right here, that index in for the last hole that you drill. Quite accurate. This machine, like I say, has been in the field for about a year. I did a test panel a couple of minutes ago just to check it out. It's drilling within 5,000. So that could be a chip, that could be almost anything. Perfectly square, perfectly in line parallel. So you're not underneath the clamps. I was actually 4 seconds, the cycle time on that. There's the row of holes. We'll check it now for accuracy again, as you can see that. Okay, that's measuring 310, 312. And this one is measuring 3.8. So there's 4 thousandths difference. When I exit across and bring it this way, when I use a metric tape, of course a metric tape is always the most even. That's 33 to the back side of the hole. And this is 238 to the back side, the front side of the hole. 33 here and 238 here. When you exit this way, this measures 783. Across here. Or 783. So it's pretty well dead on. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to make a drill set of holes. This is an 8-foot panel. And the other thing I want to show you, see the sawhorse that's built? This idea came from a guy up in Idaho 20 years ago. And I tell you, I've seen it and I've used it occasionally, and it's nice to build a sawhorse like this that allows you to move it from one side to the other, and it actually fits between the heads. So you lay a panel on it and not worry about it drooping, and then you don't have to build tables and stuff that enclose the machine that makes it hard to work on and get next to it. But what we're going to do is we're going to drill a set of holes. We're going to move down half of the holes and drill them and check the hole diameters to make sure that it's drilling dead on the money, which this machine has been in the past, so I don't doubt that it's not drilling right now. So we got it there. Now I'm going to mark the last drill here. And then we have a mark back here that lines it up with the index pin. And this is the right index pin. So that gives us a dead on. Okay, now what we're going to do there is We're going to turn it over and check the diameter of the holes to show you that it's drilling back in where it's supposed to be. Okay, now what we did here was we drilled 23 holes, which is here to here. Then we moved down half and drilled 23 more, which is here to here. So from here to here is double drill. From here to here is double drill. Okay, and 5 millimeters is 394, right? 394, okay? And now then, this is it, starts the double drill to here. So here, we're at 397, 394, 397, 397, 397. Okay, we'll start over here. This is 300, 397, 394, 397, 394. So you see that within 3 to 4 thousandths. So that's awfully close. We don't recommend that you drill back into the existing holes. I'm just doing that to show you that how accurate the machine actually is. So we'll put it back in, then we'll go ahead and drill the rest of the panel so we know where we are. Okay? What I'm doing here is putting a pencil mark on the panel where the last drill is, and you also have a mark on where your index pin is. That allows you to move down and index into the pin again, and without having to find it. By having this sawhorse in here, I'm not worried about the panel falling off at the end. The machine is wide open. It's just good to be able to adjust it. And again, okay, this is the panel that we just drilled. We did the overlap to show you that it's drilling accurately into the, the spacing and everything the same. Now I'm going to measure. This is the side that was against the fence. That's the front of the panel, so it would be the part that you put your front. So that'd be the back against the fence. And I'm going to check it in 4 places here. 33 millimeters, 33 millimeters, 33 millimeters, and 33 millimeters. And that's dead on. Okay? And here, we're at 238, 238, 238, and 238. Those holes are dead nuts as far as, they're not even off a half a line width or anything when they're reading the tape. So they're good. They're very good. The other thing, this machine, these guys have just reorganized their shop here where we're at, and this machine is set up for. This machine has been in this company for a little over a year now, probably about 14, 16 months. They just reorganized their shop here. Everybody's gone down in size, new wall here. They've changed the location of the machine. They've not hooked dust collection back up, but it's real important. This has a dust collector, and you hook it into the regular system, and it will pick up about 90% of all the tailing.